This is the Younger Dryas saga, a continuing search of dates for Carolina bays. Featuring Carolina bays, Younger Dryas, the mid-Pleistocene guy, the Bowling Alley interstadial, and the YD boundary, a very cool place. I am back at the YD boundary waiting to interview Carolina bays. You may recall that a few weeks ago I was sitting here and Carolina bays did not show up. At that time I suspected that Stephen from New Hampshire was dating Carolina bays. Now Stephen is trying to turn the tables, claiming that I dated Carolina bays. He said, "More, Antonio, you gotta fill this in with at least 3 minutes of info. Most anything will do. Come on now. And so, how is Carolina? You know, the one who you dated? Just going out for a cup of coffee?" Here she comes. I will ask her about Stephen and that cup of coffee. Hello, Carolina bays. You're the most trusted AI spokesperson for the elliptical geological structures along the east coast of the United States. Hello, Antonio. You asked me for an interview about Wikipedia. How was your date with Stephen from New Hampshire? He's always asking about you. He seems to be drooling. Maybe that is why he wears a purple bandana. But I like his hat. Wikipedia says that Carolina bays are depressions. I hope my question is not too personal. Do you feel depressed? I am not depressed at all. I'm a very positive person and take life with a smile. Wikipedia also discusses orientation. It says that the orientation of the long axis of the Carolina bays varies by 10 to 15 degrees. What do you think about that? I will give you a straight answer. When I see the sunrise, I'm facing east. And when I see the sunset, I'm facing west. It is not complicated. Wikipedia says that optically stimulated luminescence dates suggest that Carolina bays formed when the climate was colder, drier, and windier. What is your opinion? Optically stimulated luminescence sounds like they tickle your eyeballs with a flashlight. Those dates could be a lot of fun. Thank you for participating in this interview about Wikipedia. You are welcome, Antonio. Tell Stephen that I was just kidding about the drooling.